Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing variables. First, plug a lamp into the same outlet so you know the wall socket works. Then, make sure the Ps4 power cord is intact. If it looks worn, swap it with a known good IEC lead. Once done, unplug the console, hold the power button for about 30 seconds to drain capacitors, then leave it unplugged for 10 minutes. This resets residual charge and often clears simple power faults so the next steps are meaningful. You now force the system into safe mode so you can diagnose, press, and hold the power button until you hear a second beep at about 7 seconds. Once in safe mode, try restart Ps4 first. If it still won't boot, choose change resolution and then rebuild database. The latter cleans corrupted files without losing most data. Make sure to disconnect external HDDs and USB devices and use a single known good HDMI cable. Because peripheral, you finish with the decisive actions. If rebuild database didn't work, pick initialize Ps4 in safe mode. Be aware this erases user data, so back up beforehand when possible. If initialize cannot complete, create a Ps4 folder on a FAT32/XFAT USB drive, place the correct Ps4 update. PUP file, and use safe mode's reinstall system software option. If the console still never powers on, suspect a failing power supply or motherboard. At that point,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.